Dance, beautiful people, my beautiful people, here she is. Okay, here is what you are seeing right now is my favorite wig of all. Okay, as you guys know, I made a previous video about this wig now, so please, if you have not done so, go check out my previous video about this wig. It's called the only wig for me. Yes, the only wig for me. All right, and I'm gonna put the link, the description on the link on the description so you could check it out. But what you're looking at, okay, is the Kinky natural hair, and this is wet. Okay, this is wet. I just washed it. Now the way that I wash my wig, I just use conditioner. I do not use shampoo. Okay, so FYI, I do not use shampoo. I just use conditioner. But look at this wig, yo. What I love about this wig, it's the front. Look how natural it looks. Okay, this is literally like our hair. Okay, anybody who has kinky curly hair, this wig is for you. Okay, I'm telling you, throw away all your other wigs. I keep on saying that. No, I'm just kidding. But seriously, stay tuned for the whole video. Okay, stay tuned till the end, because I'm going to show you pictures, okay, of me in this wig on, and you cannot tell. Okay, drop a comment, let me know if you could tell if that's a wig. Okay, at the end of the video I have two pictures and you're gonna see, okay, how this wig looks. Yes, this is the hair naturally, it is wet. You know, look at the scalp, look how good it looks. Okay, it looks so natural. It's just, I just had to, you know, come out here and talk more about this wig. You know, when it's wet, when it's at its natural state, it's just so perfect. I'm telling you, it's just so perfect. You need to grab yourself one. Grab yourself a kinky wig. I've received so many compliments about this wig. Okay, and I'm glad to see that my sisters out there, you guys are enjoying my review and you guys are getting yourself one too. But I would love for you to just DM me and show me how you rock it, show me how you look on it. You know, go on my Instagram, you know, follow me, send me a picture, and I want to see how it looks. All right, so yeah, so like I said, see how it is when it's wet, and when it's dry, all you have to do is, you know, flat iron it. It looks so good. All right, okay, now you ready? You ready to see me with it on? Boom! Yes. Tell me, where's the wig? Where is the wig, y'all? Where's the wig? Thank you. Boom again. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Once again, I love you with the love of Jesus Christ. Follow me, subscribe, go on my Instagram to check out how I rock this wig. Love you. See you in the next video.